If you ever work with Java applications, you will notice that when it comes to close Java processes, it's a little bit trickier. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. So let's say I have two Java applications, right? So let's start demo.java. Okay. So right now I have an application called demo, and if I want to start another Java application, I will have here my get input data Java app. Okay, but here comes a problem. If I open up the task manager and go to details, you will see that you have multiple Java processes running. However, even if you go to properties, you won't find any specific details like which one is running the demo and which one is running the get input data right here, right? And on top of this, how do you close it programmatically? Now, it's really not that difficult. If we open up Process Explorer, which is a free tool from sysinternals, you can find it on the Microsoft website, we can have a look on how these Java processes are actually running. So let me open up this. Okay, and now that it's open, let's search for Java. Okay, so we have two Java processes. Okay, let's right click one of them and click properties. Now here is the interesting part. As a command line, this one is the one who runs the Java demo. Okay, and this one should be the one that runs the get input data application. Okay, so if I want, I could stop the process right here, right? So yes, I want to kill it, and I think my get input data was killed, right? So this one is still working. But what if I want to stop them programmatically? Well, for this we have a VBScript method or a PowerShell method. So let's have a look on each method. So now, if we have a look at this script right here, let's analyze it and see what it does. So it uses the VMI to query all the Win32 processes, right? So this is a class, the Win32 process. Now, for each process that is running on our machine, we are going to check if it has a command line, because not all processes have command lines, correct? So you can have, for example, Teams opened but without a command line. Teams has a command line, but let's assume it doesn't. Okay, and if we have a command line, we search if in that command line we get the Java application name. So in this case we have the get input data, correct? So now if we would run this script, okay, and now let's run wscript.exe and copy as path our script, paste it here and enter. And as you can see, our get input data Java application has been stopped, but this one works quite fine. So let's input a number, 2. Yes, the number entered by the user is 2. So this is how you can close a Java process with VBScript. Now let's have a look on how you can do this with PowerShell. Now with PowerShell, we are going to do it a little bit differently. So again, we are getting all the Win32 processes that are running, And for each of them, we are going to search if the command line has something like get input data, which is the name of our Java application, right? But we will use the stop process commandlet from PowerShell, and we are going to kill the process ID for that command line. So again, my Java applications are both running, so the get input data and demo are running. And if we run this script, these are the two processes, because as you've seen with Process Explorer, you have two of them. You have the Java and the other Java, the Open JDK. Okay, and now if we have a look, yes, the demo Java still works, and the get input data has been terminated. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.